Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a pack opening with forfeits. So basically the rules are, me and Alex are each going to open a pack, and then the person that gets the lowest rating is going to get a forfeit from your suggestions from my Instagram story the other day. Okay, so I'm going to open the first pack.
Yeah, bye, Shine. So basically, I have to get a higher rating.
I don't know how to tell the difference between a walkout or like a board or like a normal like.
So I gotta be 82.
So I just packed an 82 Korea, and now Alex has to. Haley, you know you can talk with us if you want.
What's wearing Maroon?
Why not, Alex? Why are you wearing lunches?
Oh no!
What happened?
No! He packed a board. You packed Chesney.
Bro!
Oh my god!
You're welcome.
That's good, cause my club gets.
That's all going to his account, so I mean he'll thank me. I got him a
Jacko as well.
A black card as well. I got him a black card.
Cause I have to do it.
He's gonna do a 4 for now.
It's a board. Oh my gosh, no. I don't know what.
80 rated. He just got an 80 rated card. I'm about to get. I just need 81, 82, and I'm straight up done. So these are the jumbo premium gold packs.
Nah. Oh my gosh!
What is it?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Bro, you're black line! Oh my god! Oh!
Yes sir! Yeah!
Bro,
This is the last goal in the club, bro!
Oh my god!
Two goalkeepers!
Oh my god!
I pressed the button!
Watch, it's rigged. Every second pack now is gonna be Alex, and it's gonna be all the good ones.
Oh!
This is all. Have you recorded? Have you recorded everything? This is going to his club, so he's gonna.
Just ended it.
No, because the pack wasn't the
You
same.
just ended it.
Huh?
The video. Because of game clips.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, again! Oh my god!
Oh my gosh! Bro!
Sterling!
Oh my gosh!
Bro! You just got Sterling, my guy.
Harper, why? I told you not to vacuum during the pack video, and it can't.
Bro, you got
my god!
Oh,
Bro! Bro, back to back UCL cards. Oh! Oh.
Damn it. Well, that's one for me.
Goes a mega pack. Oh. Oh, that's bro, I hate these cards, the black ones.
What are they? What are they from? Like, what type of cards are like?
Is this your main team?
Yeah.
Surely we do a search and discard.
Yeah, but we're at the same house though.
Who got the highest rating?
Let's go premium
Electrum.
prime Electrum players.
Prime, right. Nothing good again. Oh no, wait.
Jose Calahon!
This guy is 84. How is he still? I thought he was bad.
I don't know. Bro, back-to-back UCL. I can't believe we got back-to-back UCL. Oh, you got it. Is that a walkout? Oh my gosh!
I thought, bro. No!
Oh my gosh!
Bro! I thought it was Thorgan Hazard.
So, I was like Belgium.
Bro!
No way!
Bro, this damn!
What did you get?
Hazard. Bro.
Nice.
Bro! These packs! Holy moly!
What else did I
else
get?
did
Tell me I
you
got something good. Oh, no.
That's it. Bro, he's tradable.
As well?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hey, what else did you get? You're screaming so loud. man.
Sterling.
Bro, we got like
Should we
these
get
like 3 blue cards and stuff like that.
premium Electrum.
Come on, open all of them all. I want to watch.
Oh yeah, these packs, man. These packs.
Bro, oh my gosh.
What's that?
What is
What's
this?
it called?
This looks different.
Wait,
That
what?
looked different.
What?
Right, 72.
What is that?
What the hell? Imagine if there was an icon in here.
I thought it was an icon because it was,
Yeah.
it was
Right, pack opening videos gone successful.
very successful. Big cash.
What is that?
I still beat you, bro. I still beat you.
Big
I
cat.
still beat you.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Wait, is that a walkout?
No. Oh wait, no it isn't. No, I thought it was.
Why did they stop there?
Navigator for sure. Navigator.
No, it's not Navigator.
Yes, Cameron.
Wait a damn minute.
Are you dumb? That was a Mexican flag.
You would.
Oh, it was? If I get an icon, I win the whole thing.
Yeah, I know. And Zonzi.
Nzonzi Monzi. Damn, I got your house.
Who is it open?
Huh?
Who is it open?
Yeah.
Paya.
No, it's not Pyatt. It's what's the name? Talvan.
Talvin. Surely. All I need to do is be 82.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I said you packed
I thought
Messi.
Messi. I thought I got Messi. I thought I got Messi.
I was because it was blue as well, so I thought it was like a
thought it was
Champions
your
League
Messi.
Messi.
Oh,
Okay, red play back.
we got 2 players back. Two players.
What do
Let's
you
go.
mean 2 players pack?
I meant 2 packs left. Sorry.
Red player pack, the best pack. Wait, I think it's 50k, isn't it?
50k for what?
That was. This is a 50k
50k
pack.
pack.
I think. No, probably not.
No way.
Courtois.
Oh, steals.
Castells.
Oh, if you got Courtois and Hazard in the same pack over them, imagine.
That's bad for me.
Yeah, sure.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, he just packed a Navas.
Again.
Dude, he's untradeable though.
Again. I thought. Was that the second time, right?
Yeah, second time. Wait, that means we're gonna have to put him up for sale, but I don't know if he's tradable or not.
Not this one, the other one. I got 2. I got twice.
Not bad.
Bro, he's not tradable. Ah! He's not tradable.
How did I mean to it?
So basically, this is all the players we packed.
The good players, all the good players.
Well, like the
that we
main
got.
players, yeah. Because
I would say pretty successful
yeah,
pack opening.
I would say successful. Hazard is tradable, so I might try
But he's only
40k.
he's
Nah,
only 40k.
nah, I'm not selling him anymore.
He's untradeable, isn't he?
Yeah, he's untradeable. Sterling's 180. Let's see Navas. Oh, 35. What the hell?
But
Szczesny should be like 20k.
But Szczesny's only 1 rating below
28.
Navas.
26.
Hey guys.
Okay, thanks for watching. We were gonna do some forfeits, but someone didn't want to do it.
I didn't say that. Don't lie. He's lying.
He said he doesn't want to do it. He
No,
said
he's
he doesn't
lying.
want to
He's
do
lying.
forfeits.
He's
Haley, come on.
He's lying.
Was Alex the person that didn't want to do the forfeits?
No, it's like mutual agreement.
Yeah.
Okay, see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Peace.